सारे रिलीजन का आप कुरान का यार 75-80% जो है वो इंसानियत पे, आप सारी इंसानियत भूल गए और आप कहते हैं जी कि ये इस तरह नमाज ना पढ़ो और इस तरह ये ना करो।
Sir, I would, right? With all due respect, I'd beg to differ from you, but I will not speak on it.
नहीं, आप
on what issue?
किस बात पर डिस्कस?
The question of all religious speech.
Yes.
What's your name?
नहीं.
क्या जुडिज्म आप बताएं, बेसिक मोटिव रिलीजन बताएं कौन सा?
Very sensitive. Let's not talk into it. Let's get into more other things.
अच्छा, so
नहीं, बैक टू डिफर आप जरूर करें, यहाँ कोई वो नहीं है यार। हाँ, लेकिन तालिबान नहीं,
लेकिन आप कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव रेफरेंस दें।
More important things, you know.
नहीं,
आप कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव रेफरेंस दें।
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। और ह्यूमैनिटी से जितने भी फैनेटिक्स होते हैं, चाहे वो क्रिश्चियन फैनेटिक है, चाहे वो मुसलमान फैनेटिक है, चाहे वो हिंदू फैनेटिक है, वो ह्यूमैनिटी से हट गया और वो अपने रिलीजन से भी हट गया, वो रिलीजन से भी हट।
और हर रिलीजन में ऐसे फैनेटिक है,
हर रिलीजन फैनेटिक है यार।
चलो, ओके, सो नाउ दैट वी हैव अ सीरीज ऑफ
जो उनके
truths, axioms or platitudes, whatever word you want to talk. अब ये बताइए आप मुझे कि in all of this scenario, I haven't once heard, where does India figure into all of this from the viewpoint of what's happening in Pakistan? I'm curious to know.
Totally against Indian interest जो पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है।
हाँ जी,
इंडिया के इंटरेस्ट के खिलाफ है जो पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है। As I see it, why? Because this virus is going to expand. This virus is in Malaysia. This virus is in African countries. ये इथोपिया नहीं है, सोमालिया।
नहीं, वो अलग बात है, मैं समझ गया। I mean, I've heard that. I'm saying where all of this जो आप ने जो sketch out किया है,
Why?
basically in part it's a geopolitical problem also. You're taking the geopolitical view that look, the question of American imperialism is paramount in your analysis. That's the way if I have to put it in one phrase, you know. So I'm saying to you, if that's the case, I'm not saying I accept that necessarily, but if that's the case, then where does India figure into all of this analysis? You want to go to bed?
There's a view of the Pakistani establishment. Okay, it's not my view, but the Pakistani establishment का view है, और Pakistani establishment का view ये है कि India, and then I'll tell you my own view, and I'll tell you Indian view, whatever little I have read, and I'm sure as an academic you have read much more than I have. मेरा perfunctory ही overview है उसका। पाकिस्तानी establishment का ये view है, वो इस वक्त समझ रहे हैं कि पाकिस्तान जो है उसको अनसर्कल किया जा रहा है। अच्छा, पाकिस्तानी स्टैब्लिशमेंट भी लाइक अमेरिकन स्टैब्लिशमेंट वो होमोजेनस नहीं है। अब जैसे CIA का और स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट का बहुत वास्ट व्यू है। CIA कुछ समझती है, स्टेट डिपार्टमेंट में ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, वो कुछ और समझते हैं वर्ल्ड व्यू को। तो एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट मोस्ट कंट्रीज हैव दैट इशू। पाकिस्तानी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट में दो एक्सट्रीम, तीन व्यूज इस वक्त प्रेवलेंट हैं। एक व्यू तो ये है कि वो लोग जो हैं वो दे आर बीइंग एनसर्कल्ड, दे आर बीइंग Pakistani, one part of the
Pakistanis are being encircled.
That is the view of one.
That's view of one of three different views within the establishment.
Okay. 5 minutes. No more than 5 minutes. So Pakistani establishment का one wing of the Pakistani establishment believe that they are being trapped and they are being encircled because India has something like 12 consulates in Afghanistan, and they feel that they will have to commit their forces on the Western Front, and that will leave the Eastern Front vulnerable. And once the Americans leave Afghanistan, they feel, which invariably they feel, then India will take over. India will have a lot of influence in Afghanistan,
right?
And then, of course, both in the West and the East, there is this Indian establishment, right? So that's one view, and therefore they feel that they need Taliban to
check that, basically.
To check that, and their view is presented by relatively moderate military strategists and military academics, and this is their view. Of course, the extreme view,
the good Taliban and the bad Taliban.
the bad Taliban, yes,
Okay,
correct.
then what is the other view?
The extreme view is more or less now expunged by the army. The extreme view, which is propagated by the remnants of Ziaul Haq, thank God that's kind of more or less purged. And that view was by General Gul. And he is on Hamid Gul. He is on record. He has published that interviews. That's part of the documented history in electronic recording and in written. And he says that we must commit half our population for the economic destruction of India. And as a result of that economic destruction, whether it's through a nuclear bomb, now this is he's saying it's on record, right? I'm just paraphrasing it. If through that destruction, either by nuclear or by any other means, 8 out of 160 million people, 80 million people of the country die. After 100 years, when the new generation will come, it'll be more pure.
I think that's the most stupid version.
No, sir, but again, it will be stupid or not, but
that view seems to be very stupid.
And it will be pure because there'll be lesser of the purest people.
Yeah, the pure Aryans by the Nazi Germans.
This view, would you believe, is now being propagated by Ziad Hamid on television 4 hours a day.
Right.
Okay?
Oh my God.
This view, okay?
All right. I heard him say all those things.
However, from whatever little knowledge I have of the system, of the establishment, by being friends, and all that, this view is not an official view anymore. But there is a wing in the army who is letting Ziad Hamid preach that 4 hours on television. There's a website on television which says Ziad Hamid for president. Right. My wife teaches at Indus Valley School of Art and Architecture, which is one of the most liberal colleges in the country. Ziad Hamid comes there and speaks for 4 hours, 3 hours. Almost
why do you blame army? There's a civil government there.
Let him just finish.
वो नहीं कह रहा हूँ ना, blame नहीं आर्मी को कर रहा हूँ.
So then what?
मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ.
So that is the second view. What is the third view?